play pentatonic scales like a king? Well, we're going to talk about Albert. To help us create our Albert King inspired guitar lick, we're going to be working in the key of A minor and focusing on position 2 of the minor pentatonic scale. A little trick, if you're more familiar with position 1, here's a little trick that I like to use to find position 2. So use the last note, swap your pinky with your first finger, and now your hand is perfectly set up in what I like to call the Albert King box. So let's run through the notes for today to create our lick. String 3, fret 9. String 2, frets 8 and 10. String 1, frets 8 and 10 again. 5 notes and you can create a lot of blues magic. Let's dive into the Albert King lick. Albert King's approach to phrasing is fascinating on a number of levels, and it's safe to say you can spot an Albert King inspired lick from a mile away. There are a number of reasons for this, but today we're going to focus on 2 in particular, one of which is the way he chokes out his bends. So take a look at the last note on the lick, we're on the 10th fret and we bend it a whole tone. Notice how I'm going to choke the note at the top rather than let it resonate and decay. And that, guys, leads us to feature number 2 of Albert King's playing style, and I'm sure Albert King would even give us a big thumbs up to this, and that is he would use his thumb rather than a flat pick. Personally, I like combining and fusing uses of flat picks and fingers to create more variety within my playing style. Challenge you now to try and connect positions 2 and 1 of the minor pentatonic scale. To give you a little head start, I would probably use the blue note, the passing flat 5 on the 3rd string as a way of connecting and bridging both positions. Check it out. String 3, fret 9, 8, 7, move into 5, and resolution on the tonic note, string 4, fret 7. That should just about do it for today, guys. Thanks a bunch for watching. Please do hit the like and subscribe button, and also feel free to comment down below and let me know what guitarist you'd like me to feature in forthcoming quick lick lessons, and I'll be sure to do that. Thanks as always. See you next time.